Welcome everyone to episode 18. I've been out for a while. The wife and I made a trip to New Orleans, Louisiana, where we enjoyed eating delicious foods and learning a little bit of some New Orleans history and visiting the battleground of the Battle of New Orleans in 1815. What a place this was. And now, on to Thunder Road.
Hey, what's up everyone? We are here in Thunder Road and just doing a little bit of work to some of the wood here. We got it sanded down, stained it, put a layer of varnish on it, and man, it's looking 10 times better. We added a little shelf here, and I forgot to film putting the shelf in. So I'm gonna add one right here on this side, on the port side. So I figured I'd go ahead and show y'all how I'm doing this. You can see there's like fiberglass layers here, so it's not even, it's all bulgy in certain places. So what I'm doing is I made a little template out of cardboard and just traced it out with some box cutters. And then we're just gonna cut a piece of plywood or whatever we have in the garage. You know, we'll trace this out, cut it with the jigsaw, and go from there. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now, doing today. Man, I just love the way this wood turned out. I'll show you what I used to stain it, sand it, edge it with a router, varnish it. Looks really good. Let's go into the garage and make our cutout from our template. All right. Got it stained. Let that dry for half hour, an hour, and then we'll get the varnish. And here's the stain I used. That's what I use on everything. I like it. It's nice and kind of like a nice dark brown. All right. Using some polyurethane varnish, resistant to stain and scratches, fast drying, oil based. I just grabbed whatever, the cheap stuff. Varnish is done. Gonna let this dry, and then we'll install it. Added 2 little corner brackets. Got 4 more that I'll put on the bottom, and that's what I'll use to attach the shelf. Here we are in the cabin. Parts. And so this baby is just gonna fit in right there. Brackets. Look at there. Cool. I also wanted to give an update on my Bimini top. Custom made PVC right here, baby. Added some spray paints, already starting to kind of flake off in places. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. This projector screen that I've turned into a cover, it's got some flexibility to it, so it kind of helps keep the Bimini all together. I added some supports here where I'm using the cleat, as it just pushes up and slides right off. As it just supports. Yeah, it's working out great. Screwed in some simple little eye loops there, some screws in the PVC. Oh, and then I added this pole here in the center to kind of help keep the spread. Working out good so far. But let's go ahead and have a final look at our shelves that we added. Man, I'm excited about the way these turned out. The carpet, I added the carpet here. I really dig this carpet. I like it. Just gives it it's like a warmer tone in here. Here's our second shelf that we just installed. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And the first shelf. I really like this one. Let's see the varnish shining. And of course our nav table, we cleaned this up a little bit. I'm gonna say Thunder Road is looking damn good. While I'm in here, one other thing I decided to go ahead and do is I went ahead and took the anchor locker door off. I'm just utilizing it now for just more storage. I can get my bell bucket in here out of the way. I can fit my fishing rod in here now. I don't use it for my anchors. I leave the anchors down at the stern. Yeah, up here at the bow, this is storage right here. We still have these compartments. Putting life jackets in this one. And this is where my ice chest goes. It's where the Yeti cooler goes. It fits perfect right there.
Well, that does it for this episode, folks. If you've made it this far, I say thank you. Oh, and if you haven't already, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See y'all in the next one.
Running like a scalded dog. Two poles.